Hey guys, so filming from my car. I wanted to clean out my car because it is dirty AF, and I want to like deep clean it and use like special wipes to wipe the dash and the seats and stuff. And there's just like, there's 4 water bottles down there, Olive Bray stuff back here, there's 2 pairs of shoes back here of hers, and it's just a mess. So I wanted to clean it and film it as well. So the outside is actually clean. I took it through, what is it, cruise through the other day or yesterday, and it was a really funny story. I'm like so embarrassed by it. But yesterday I was like in the cruise through line, and they tell you to put your car in neutral so that way like the trucks can like, you know, take your car like at the speed it's supposed to. And I totally forgot to put it in neutral. So I was just like speeding through the cruise through inside, and they were like tapping my window like stop, stop, and I had no idea. I was so oblivious. My mind has literally not been working lately. So yeah, that's a little funny story. If a car was in front of me, I would have hit it. That's like how fast I was going. So thank God everything turned out okay. And so yeah, that's a little funny story. But I'm sitting in the driveway right now. I picked up some stuff at Target. I picked up this leather care for the leather seats. So cleans, conditions, and protects for that lasting, luxurious look. Okay, and then I got the interior detailer wipes, cleans and restores with a natural matte finish, effective on plastic, vinyl, rubber, and fabric. And if I'm talking weird, like with my mouth, it's because I went to the dentist today and I got 3 cavities filled. So this side of my cheek, it's not that numb anymore, but this side of my mouth is like coming off the numbing. If you haven't seen that episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians where Kourtney Kardashian was like talking all weird like this, I was like that earlier. It was so funny. But I could like feel the drilling going on in when she was like drilling my cavity. So she had to numb me like, I don't even know how many times, but it was a lot. So excuse my mouth if it's looking a little weird. And then I picked up this handheld vacuum because I feel like when I go to cruise through, oh yeah, Jacob's outside strolling the baby around. But I feel like when I go to cruise through, their vacuums aren't as strong and they don't pick up like anything. So I picked this one up. This was like 20 bucks. It was on sale. So I'm gonna see how good this does. So yeah, I just have like a lot of junk, a lot of Starbucks and Dunkin' wrappers for straws, water bottles, cups, LaCroix. Like it's just a mess. I'll show you the overall look of the car before I clean it. I mean, it's not bad, but I like my space wherever I'm at to be organized, clean, and neat. So I have a clear mind. That's just how I work. So yeah, let me get to showing you. Okay, this is the front seat. Again, not too bad, but I mean, could be a lot better. Oh no. The back. And I also want to take apart her car seat and put it in the washer. Like just her car seat, it just needs the wash. So I'm gonna throw that in the washer. I heard this was really easy to take off. Which I mean, yeah, it's pretty easy to clean and stuff. So I'm gonna do that. Some snacks down there. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Bray. Say hi. You need a haircut. Like really bad. And then this is the passenger. So just, you know, just dirty. And the dash has some like dirt spots on it from our sun visor thing. So yeah, I'm gonna get to cleaning, but the outside looks really good. And if you are wondering, I have the Infiniti QX60. We just got this car like not even 2 months ago, or maybe 2 months ago, and we are in love with it. We love the way it drives. We have nothing bad to say about this car. It fits everything and more that you would ever need, and we just love it. So if you're thinking about this car and don't really know if you're sure about it, I would go test drive it because it's just really nice. It drives really nice, and I think you would love it. Alright guys, it is all clean. Last night, here, let me just get in because it's actually really hot outside. Last night we cleaned the car. Here, let me flip you around. And then it just got like really dark, so the lighting was just like off, so we stopped recording. And we just finished the cleaning last night, and so this morning I'm going to show you everything that we did, everything that is clean now. So we still have like her toys back there, but everything is kind of like picked up. We washed her car seat. The seats are really nice. And I need to tell you guys that the wipes for the leather seats, did not turn out as expected, as we hoped. They just left like streaks on the seats, like grease streaks. This lighting isn't good either. So we didn't notice it until this morning, because last night when we were doing it, we just thought like, oh, well, it'll dry, it'll go away. And this morning when we went to, you know, look at the car, it was still there. And it was just really like, it didn't look good. We just took like a damp towel or a washcloth and just wiped it down, and it came off really nicely. So yeah, I don't really know about those wipes. The detailer wipes for like the dash and like the steering wheel and like all this right here, that was totally fine. It just was the leather wipes that we had an issue with, but I think that's it. Let me show you like the back. Looks so much nicer. And like I said, it wasn't even that dirty to begin with, but just to make it, you know, clean. Show you the passenger, because the passenger was really dirty. And now it's like so clean. It's so nice. Looks really good. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and like this video if you liked it. And we will see you in our next one. Bye.